So you join me today at Nuneaton Railway Station on the West Coast Main Line, and today I'm visiting two railway stations that are served by CrossCountry Trains and only has an hourly service. Nothing exciting about that, to be honest. However though, on the Midland Main Line there has been a disruption. An embankment has become unstable at Braybrook, south of Market Harborough, and East Midlands Railway services are being diverted at these two railway stations that I'm stopping off at today, Melton Mowbray and Oakham. And I'm waiting for the 10:51 cross-country service to take us to our first station, Melton Mowbray. So even though CrossCountry serve this station with an hourly service, it's actually operated by East Midlands Railway. But this is Melton Mowbray, home of the Stilton cheese and the pork pies. And honestly, this railway station is just absolutely fantastic. It's got lovely station canopies, a lovely station building and a lovely single box here. But we are here for the East Midlands Railway Diverts, as well as the hourly cross-country services that are stopping here. The one thing I like to share about these railway stations is their history, their past. And believe it or not, Melton Mowbray had so many name changes, it was unbelievable. So the first station that was here opened on the 1st September 1846 by the Midland Counties Railway as Melton. The current station was standing on opened 2 years later in 1848 when they re-sited the station. Now in 1876 it was renamed to Melton Mowbray, which is the current name we see today. In 1923 it was renamed to Melton Mowbray South. In 1950 it was renamed to Melton Mowbray Midland. In 1957 it was renamed to Melton Mowbray Town. And in 1965 it was renamed to the current name, Melton Mowbray. That is not a name change, to be honest with you. Now the reason this station had so many name changes was because there was another station in Melton Mowbray, Melton Mowbray North, and that opened by the London North Western Railway and the Great Northern Railway as a joint station in 1879. It did close to passengers for regular traffic in 1953, but it was kept open for excursion traffic till 1962. Also there's another line heading towards Leicester that branches off here, and that line actually takes trains towards Nottingham. Half of it is disused now, but half of it is kept open as the old Dolby test track when they test trains. Now we shall be leaving Melton Mowbray to head to Oakham next. We're waiting for the 12:28 cross-country service to Cambridge. So we have now reached the next station I'm stopping off at today. This is Oakham. And this station is actually quite quirky, to be honest, but I'll explain that shortly. However though, the line we're on today is actually on the Leicester to Peterborough Line. And there is 3 stations on this route. We visited Melton Mowbray already, Oakham and Stamford. Stamford though I'm not visiting because after Oakham there's a junction called Melton Junction, and East Midlands Railway services divert off at Melton Junction to head towards Corby and onto Kettering. However though, Oakham Station is quite nice. It's got a lovely station building, a lovely signal box, and it also has a level crossing. So I'm going to dive into the history of Oakham Station, but to be honest, there's not really much because this station opened on the 1st of May 1848 by the Midland Counties Railway. However though, I did tell Nuneaton Station as well, because it does have East Midlands Railway services that do stop at this station, and Melton Mowbray as well. But there's only about 5 services. There's about 3 in the morning and 2 in the evening. But there are East Midlands Railway services that do stop at Melton Mowbray and Oakham. So what makes Oakham Station so quirky? It's the county it's in, the county of Rutland. Now there was many stations in Rutland, but they all closed apart from one station, Oakham, which remained open. So Oakham is actually the least used station in Rutland and the most used station in Rutland, because it's the only station that still stands in Rutland. It's only got one station in the county. Now, unlike Melton Mowbray, I had a long time here at Oakham. I got here about 1:45. I'm actually leaving on the 14:21 cross-country service to Birmingham New Street, but we are going to Nuneaton on this, so I'm catching the train now, and let's head to Nuneaton.
Seen it before, Joe? You always wanted to see it? Yeah.
So we have now made it back to Nuneaton Station. Honestly, visiting Melton Mowbray and Oakham today has really been wonderful. Capturing those Class 222 meridians, flying through those railway stations. Now usually I don't bother with those 2 railway stations because, like I said, they mainly only have hourly service with CrossCountry Trains serving them. But when there's diverts happening, that's the best time to go and visit those railway stations, because you do get extra traffic flying through those railway stations. But anyway, I'm going to head home now, but in the meantime, I'm going to pop a video right here. Feel free to give that a click. People coming up on screen now, YouTube channel members and Patreon supporters, thank you for supporting the channel. I have been SimOnTrains. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you on board for the Cyber Express for a new video down the line next week.